Place of supply where goods are removed. Place of supply when the goods are removed. Place of removal where the goods is been removed is the place of supply. Section 10, 1A of IGST Act, the place of supply of goods is the location of goods at the time at which movement of goods terminates for delivery to the recipient. So where that terminates, that is the place of supply. So what is the place of supply? In the goods are delivered at the supplier to a person on direction of a third person. You are directing to supply to the third person, but you are the owner. Example, I get the goods from Chennai, and I'm having it in. I'm from Bengaluru, asking you to deliver in Kerala. Is the I'm a registered person. It is a supply to Bengaluru. If I'm an unregistered person, the supply is to Kerala. Section 10(1)(b) of IGST Act, it would be deemed that the third person has received the goods and the place of supply of such goods will be a principal place of business of such person. Because if he's a registered, they have to mention the point. What is the place of supply where the goods are?